Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss a common issue that many Shopify store owners face. Customers selecting more items than are available in stock. If you've encountered this problem, stick around because I'll show you how to fix it. Lately, we've noticed many Shopify store owners encountering a common issue. Customers are selecting unlimited quantities in the quantity selector, but then finding they can't actually buy that many items. It's pretty confusing for them. For example, we have a product with 11 pieces in stock, and we've set these stock levels accurately in the back end. Then we go to the front end and try to add the product to the cart using the quantity picker. See here, we can keep clicking on the plus button, and there's no limitation on the number we can add. Then we click Add to Cart, and an error message appears stating you can't add more product to the cart. But it doesn't tell us the exact number we can pick here. Also, the cart appears empty. If we try to click Checkout at this step, however, it will send us to Checkout. And in Checkout, the number of the product is automatically adjusted to the actual number available. But this is still very annoying. This situation leaves customers unsure of how many pieces they can actually add to their cart, which is particularly problematic when they need to purchase in large volumes. Clearly, this aspect of the customer experience needs improvement. We need to prevent customers from selecting more items than what's available. Now, let's dive into the solution. Go to your Shopify admin. Navigate to Online Store, then click on the three dots and select Edit Code. In the left-hand sidebar, locate the Sections folder and open the file main-product.liquid. Locate the quantity input code. Insert the code to set the limit. I'll attach the code in the comments section. Click Save. Alright, it's done. Let's check the result on the front end. Now, when the number reaches the stock level, the plus button gets disabled. Click Add to Cart and the correct number is added to the cart. Cool, right? No more disappointed customers. Just a smooth, efficient checkout process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance on this issue, feel free to ask in the comments area. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help. For technical support, development services, or website building services, you can reach us by email or visit our site. Thanks for watching!